Hello, this is Benjamin with Dealer Site. Today's topic will be setting your store hours. For this, go into our left-hand menu, click on Business Info, and then go down to Hours of Operation. We'll then click on New Group, Hours Group Title. You can title this something simple like Store Hours, or you can title it whatever you like. Today, we're just going to stick with Store Hours. Owner, you'll set it as your site. Group description, these are normal store hours. Now, in this description, if you're setting both summer and winter hours, you could create one group for summer hours, one group for winter hours, and also if you like, you could set up some store hours during major holidays. Click on New Hours. We'll go with Monday through Friday. Opening time, we'll say 8 a.m. and closing time, we'll say 5 p.m. Now within this group, we do want to create one for the weekends as well. So we'll hit New Hours, Saturday or Sunday. Now in this case, just Saturday. Opening time, 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. and New Hours one more time. And Sunday, closed both of these. We'll go ahead and hit Save Changes. Now that save has gone through, we'll go ahead and click on the name of business and publish changes. Now we opened up our site and scrolled down to the very bottom where our store hours are located, and we can see the title of store hours showed up Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday is 8 to 3, and Sunday is closed. I could take the second closed off of there, but otherwise it is fine. There's many different ways in which you can do that. You could do it by day, you could do it by group of days, and you can set up multiple different groups for different hours of different times of the year. That's all I have for you for now. Until I talk to all of you again, thank you very much for your very valuable time.